Students, how are you? Welcome to my class. I am Taruna Chobe. Today I am going to teach you from Moral Science, Chapter 9, page number 33, Ecological Balance in Nature. There was a time when man lived in harmony with animals. He domesticated a few animals like the cattle, dogs, cats. But often it was man who got killed when animals attacked. As time passed, man was able to acquire weapons. He progressed, make spears and arrows. When man invented iron, he made swords, knives, spears, and harpoons. He realized that he was more powerful than animals because he possessed intellect and the ability to control things. In spite of his superior intellect and weapons, man maintained a balance in nature. He always knew that he was part of nature, not the master of it. Balance in nature was totally upset when man discovered firearms with rifles and handguns. Man was able to hunt not only for his food but also for pleasure. He lost respect for life. With the power of wealth, man became extremely selfish. He began to destroy nature which he did not create. He took pride in keeping trophies of animals he had hunted and killed. The earth is here for us to lead a happy and comfortable life. It is possible only when we live together in peace and harmony. It is also essential to protect plants and animals and trees and birds to maintain balance in nature. We as humans are destroying the earth, and in doing so, we are ruining the ability to live harmoniously with our fellow inhabitants. My dear students, the zoological parks make an attempt to protect animals and birds. They also make an attempt to create awareness among people about the need for protecting animals and birds. The animals are fed with right type of food. The zoos have the best controlled environment where we get a chance to watch wildlife and learn about them. When you are in zoo, try to maintain silence as it is the animal's world and not yours. Respect their space and lifestyle. You must admire and think about their creator who made colorful and attractive birds and animals. Your heart is filled with pleasure at the sight of the beauty of animals and birds.